ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಕಿಚನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ, ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸರಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ 3ನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಳೆಯುವಂಥ ನಾಮಫಲಕ, ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರಿಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಟುಡೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈ ಸನ್ ನೈತಿಕ್. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 6th standard. Hello Naitik, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, now this experiment will be carried by Mr. Naitik. Over to Naitik. Okay, Naitik, shall we start the experiment?
Yes.
Okay, what are the materials or what are the apparatus we need? Will you please introduce all the apparatus?
Yes. First we have to take a cylinder.
Okay.
And we have to take a cup.
Okay.
And we have to take a spatula.
Okay.
And glue.
Okay.
And a glowing powder.
Glowing powder. Will you show please that glowing powder?
Yes.
Okay. This is the glowing powder. Okay.
And a straw.
Okay. Nice. So will you please explain the procedure of the experiment? How we have to conduct the experiment? Please
Yes.
explain.
First we have to put one spoon of glowing powder.
Glowing powder.
Actually I put it.
Already you taken in the box. Huh?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
And now we have to put 5 ml of glue.
5 ml of glue.
Yes.
Okay. We may use any glue which was available in the stationery.
Yes.
We have to take 5 ml approximately the volume. Okay, I think it is 5
Yes,
ml.
5 ml.
Okay. What we have to do after taking that glue? I think
And now
we
have to put in this
into glowing powder.
Glowing powder.
Okay, we have to mix that glue into glowing powder. Okay, now we are mixing the glue and glowing powder in a plastic cup. Okay, using that spatula we have to put all those that glows in the cup.
And we have to mix.
We have to mix thoroughly, so that glue and the glowing powder mix well.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now it is completely mixed. Then what we have to do, Naitik?
And now we have to take a straw.
Straw stick. Okay.
And we have to put in this.
In this mixture.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we can use
Any drawing papers, huh? Okay, we are using any drawing papers and we have to draw
some your name also you can draw.
We may write any letters, any name plates. That is we may
Yes.
write our name also.
Yes. I have written my name with that mixer. After 1 hour, let's see what happens. Our 1 hour is completed. Let's see what happens.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 1 hour ಆಗಿದೆ. ತಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಹಾಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು ಏನೂ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಲೈಟನ್ನು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಎಸ್, ತಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಗ್ಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಲೈಟನ್ನು ನಾನು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಹೆಸರು ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಫನ್ನಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.